So here's a little quick video. I bought the, it's the Lithium Ion Mighty Max battery. I wish I could I thought about cutting that off so I could see it. There's actually an LCD display on the top of the battery. Can't see it, but, you know, that's a sad thing. I just wanted to give a little quick review. I don't do a lot of these, but this is a Prairie 700. This is a pretty big beast. I was skeptical about this battery, especially since it's so light. It only weighs like a pound. It's incredibly light. But I was really impressed by the specs on this battery. It actually reads, look at the resistance. That's 3.5. That's awesome. That's super low. But it also 427 cold cranking amps. That is amazing. It's blizzardly cold outside right now. We got snow. This thing has a plow, so I'm going to do some plowing. But it fires this thing up like nothing you could imagine. It's amazing. I'm really impressed so far. Hopefully it lasts. But I was really surprised that it's putting out that much current. Considering most of your lawnmower batteries, your high-end lawnmower batteries, only put out about 300, and the OEM stock battery I think was 220 cold cranking amps. Anyway, hope this helps, and this is amazing. Thanks.